Hi, I'm Neil Moodie, founder of the Neil Moodie Studio, and welcome to my FAQ hair series. The question is, how can I make my hair grow faster? So many factors contribute towards hair growth. The average rate of growth is 0.5 to 1.7 centimeters per month, or anywhere from about 5 centimeters to 20 centimeters per year. That growth can feel minimal, but hair is the fastest growing tissue on the body. I suggest to get regular trims and cut the split ends off. What I also suggest is to eat healthy foods. Increase your protein intake with foods like fish, beans, nuts and whole grains. And also try and add a hair, skin, nail supplement to your routine. Ones with biotin, vitamin A, C, E, zinc, iron and omega-3 are all really useful. Another thing I suggest is to go easy on your heated tools and be kinder to your hair. Also, I suggest a cool rinse at the end of a shower, and then you can also stimulate the scalp with a scalp massage or a massager. There's a really great one by a company called Brayo. Silk pillowcases are also great for protecting your hair more when you're asleep. I have one at home. Come and visit us at the studio by booking online or giving us a call to make an appointment.